Rise and shine, babe. Rise and shine. I don't know how people are morning people. I am most definitely not a morning person. But I got day 2 of this hair with how yesterday, if you saw the pencil curl, you'll know that this is day 2. I haven't done a dang thing. I'm gonna get ready. I'm gonna put some makeup on real fast. And then we're gonna see what we can do with day 2 hair. Cause this is pretty cool for how much curl I have even on the 2nd day and hopefully the 3rd day. So, time to get ready. I want to dress up a little bit more, I think, than normal right now. I'm just feeling that. So here's my dresses, and this lady right here. She's been calling my name. She's just got, I just love her so much. I'm gonna wear her today and find some type of shoe to go with her. Okay, so we got the kids set up for school, and I'm going to hurry and finish this out. Got my makeup on, and I want to see what we have here today. So yesterday I filmed, you're gonna see another tutorial where I did these pencil curls. So well, I will give you the note on that, baby. You can click on it and you can watch it. This is day 2 hair. I'm gonna do completely turn around. So you can see all the angles left of what we have. Now I can't see the back, only you have, and I didn't even look at that this morning. But yesterday was day 1 hair, and when I first started out, I had curled the underneath, so that was one layer that I didn't have to go in and do a pencil curl with, but I curled the underneath, and I just want to kind of take that flat iron now and make these pieces maybe in the front not as curly, because I've noticed that they're showing through. See that right there? It's like showing through just a bit. And I don't really want that showing so much, like as curly. So I'm just gonna straighten that out, no big deal, and then see what other pieces we have here. Now, I don't really wanna brush out my hair too much because, you know, that would jack things up, but I do wanna touch it up just a bit. I have this little brush right here. It is pretty, like, it doesn't have really tight bristles like this brush. And so that's why I want, if you have a pick, you can go in and do that too. But we're getting a little frizzy in areas, and I don't want that frizz to kind of show. So this is gonna look like I'm taking apart some of my curls. Definitely wanna touch as small amount as possible, but we also don't wanna look like we have bedhead, right? So I'm gonna just take some of these out. I'm gonna hold onto it at the top so it's not too crazy. Getting rid of any bedhead that we may have. Okay, and then there's a couple products that you can use that I really love to kind of wake things up. Now, if I felt like I needed to go in and add a pencil curl right in here, I totally could do that, which I might, or I might just leave it knowing that this is day 2. Now, what would be super cute with this on day 2 or day 3 is a really awesome clip. Like just jazzing this up. A really awesome clip, a loose clip, however you wanna do it, that would be super pretty. So I'm gonna take this stuff right here. It's a laminate spray. It adds shine, it softens, and it protects the hair. I don't wanna spray it directly on my hair, so get you some type of like jojoba oil or some type of spray that has a little bit of oil to it, not a ton. We don't wanna overdo it. But the reason why I wanna do this, I wanna add shine and depth throughout the hair, but I also wanna piece back together some of those pieces. So I'm gonna hold this over, I'm gonna spray it on my hand, and I'm just gonna bring in some of these pieces. You can scrunch it all up in, but now look at that shine already. Yeah, it's so good. Okay, so add in a little bit of depth right in here. And now I'm gonna do a little more. Scrunch that baby up. And then when I don't have as much on my hair, that's when I'll go up a little higher. But we're making this just some nice pieces. I love it. See? Yeah? Okay, so I'm going to just make those pieces so they just doesn't look like they're rat's nest type thing, right? I'll do this on this side too. This side, you can definitely tell I slept on more, but I'm just scrunching those pieces together and making them work. Now on this side, I might, here, I'm gonna go get a comb really fast. Don't, just a second. So this side, you can just tell I slept on it more. So I went and got a comb because I need this side to be woken up just a bit more. And honestly, truthfully, just, you could pull back this side. Like if you slept on one side more than the other, you could totally mess with it. It'd be cool to do a day 3 video with this, but I don't know if I will. I don't know. It's hard work filming these suckers. Okay, so I'm just gonna make sure, and I'm done. Put this in there, and I'm done. So we kept our curls pretty dang good. You can tell I want this flat iron right here on this part. Flat iron it under so it's not so flat, and we're good to go. So this is just making it look a little more healthy, and then I will hairspray the hair and call this a day and a win. So I'll show you all the angles. Bring it in a little closer. Might have to mess with it just a bit, but it's pretty awesome for day 2. Now I will say, I did not go in a steam shower or at a pool or anything humid, and if you are in a humid area, that might affect how it looks for you too. But the curls stayed really, really well. I'm super impressed. I love it. I do feel if I'm not put together, I might look like a little ragamuffin, but the whole point of this is to look dolled up. It's just one step higher. The other thing too, if you do your pencils a little too low and you just don't like how curly Q the ends are, just straighten them with a flat iron, and it will help you not have that, like, what's her name, Shirley Temple type look. But this is just a really awesome wave. It creates the most beautiful wave. If you can see, I'll do a little zoom. It just creates, and even though like this one underneath is a little more straight, I could go in and take a pencil just to that one again and not do my whole head, and that's up to you too. You can just retake the pencil to it and you're good, but it's really cool the wave that it creates. And there you go. You guys, I hope that you love these tutorials. Have fun with your hair. Do something a little extra that is out of your norm. Even if it takes a little bit longer, you're playing, you're having fun, you're getting to know yourself a lot better, a lot more, and I think that's super important too. Just getting to know you and happiness and whatever else. That sounds crazy and corny maybe, but if you like what you see here, make sure you subscribe. I put a description in everything, things I use, everything in the bottom. So when you're watching my tutorials, make sure you always check that out because you will know all the things. If you want to reach me, you can always email me at fitmissionmakeup@gmail.com. You can go to my website to get color matched as well. You can subscribe to my newsletter that I always try and put in tips and tricks. I make it simple as can be, guys. It's just simple. And then Facebook, I'm Fit Mission Makeup with Jocelyn McClellan. And then my favorite Instagram, Jocelyn.McClellan. Okay, those links will be below too if you don't know. I'll also put in the links of what I'm wearing for my makeup, and we're good to go. You guys having a great, great day. Happy day 2 hair. We'll see you later.